So hey, how's it going? This is Shogat. Few weeks back I found a software really interesting and useful for me. So today in this video I'm gonna be sharing my thoughts and the overview of the usage of that software, and I will be showing a quick installation process as well. So before we start, how about to hit the bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video on my YouTube channel. Now then, let's get started. So as you can see, this is the software itself. So let me just quickly show you how to download it. So just Google it, software Dashlane software official website. So you will get a search address, and this is the Dashlane never forget software. So you just have to download this software and it will be free for use. This is also available for Android and iOS as well. So I will be talking about it later on. So let me just quickly close it and let me show you how to install it. Just simply double click on it and you just have to click all the next and yes, it is requesting for. So it will be connected to the Dashlane server, and then you have to create an account, and you just have to create a master password for all your passwords. So as you can see, it takes a little bit of time, so I will be skipping all of this, and you will get a time lapse of it. So by the time the software gets installed on my laptop, let me just quickly describe the software in front of you. So Dashlane is a robust password manager with additional room for your various IDs, credit cards and other payment methods. It comes with an autofill feature for online forms, which you can add different addresses, phone numbers and other personal information you are tired of typing repeatedly. There are two features that make Dashlane different from all the software out there. So it's beautiful and easy to use interface, and the second one is its optional cloud syncing. If you are already a different password manager user, you can import all of your databases into the Dashlane pretty easily, and I will show you how to create it. So let me just quickly jump into my account. Yes, I have an account already, so let me just quickly skip the process. So as you can see that I'm not a premium user, so let me just quickly tap into not now, review my software, review my passwords, no, skip. So as you can see, this is a pretty interesting tool that you can get in this software, that is a password generator. You can generate a password with by this method of encryption and decryption, and this is a lots of methods and algorithm they're using, and they are using some characters, special characters, and you can also set the length of the password. There is an option for 10, 12 and whatever you want. You can generate the password and you can strongly save that password in the software and you can use it for later. Let me just quickly show you how to log into your Dashlane account with an web app. Just Google it, web app, and you will get another option like Android, iOS, and this is quite familiar with our Google autofill technology, but I have to say that the Google are doing the more better job than Dashlane. But I found the software pretty interesting for my payment methods and the personal information I always take care about. So as you can see, they are charging $40 for 1 year Dashlane premium membership. So if you guys are planning for going for a Dashlane premium membership, then it's really fine for being there, because see, we are in 2018 and I think the security should be our top priority, and if we are opt for this kind of services, then we can be in a good environment of security. So this is my review, and this is the all thoughts I have been pursuing from the first day of usage. So that's it for now, guys. If you have found this video useful for yourself, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you in my next video.